Camel.
Hi baby, come to Dubai.
That's an unusual sighting. What is a camel doing here in Delhi, bro? I know these summers are really hot. And every summer is here in Delhi. Because I live in Delhi. Oh.
तोबा थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
Is this traffic jam because of the rains? Well, I have this query from a long time. Why does rain cause so much traffic? What different happens when it rains? It leads to so many traffic jams. I don't really like being surrounded by humongous vehicles like trucks and buses, but hey, what can we do? It rained for quite a while, so but not enough rain for waterlogging. Waterlogging can cause traffic, I understand, but oh no. Like nature follows the rule of nature. Like nature follows the. I was about to say nature follows the rule of nature. I wanted to say like nature follows the rule of survival of the fittest. Traffic follows the rule of survival of the fastest. If you're fast enough to filter through, you can filter through traffic. But if you're not fast enough, somebody else will. And I think I should be in that lane with the bikers so that I could have filtered really easily. But hey. What? See? The bike is turning off today. What? Now I don't even have fuel. Amazing. Great.
1 hour later.
Well, the traffic is stuck. Properly stuck. And now I can't do anything about it.
नहीं भूलूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान.
And I don't have even. That's a cherry on top. So I do have extra battery for my GoPro and I hope it is recording audio right now. That's the last kind of content that I want. What? Why are we stuck in this traffic? No, what kind of bug is that? Oh no, there's quite a lot many bugs here. I can filter. Okay. I cannot filter ahead. I don't have fuel. I want to use the bathroom. There's bugs here and I'm stuck in a standstill traffic. What else? Guys, subscribe please. I have to go through so much. Jokes apart, guys, it is really... Oh, sorry. I just stepped on his foot. So he couldn't even hear my apology. Is there space there? Oh yeah, can I also? निकल जाएगी? Oh yeah. Okay, I have to go through. Okay. Quite less space. Okay. Ah. Oh no. Watching people try to pass from here is such an entertainment. in such kind of traffic.
खत्म।
तो प्लीज whatever. I want to reach 1 million likes.